There is something men never say out loud, not because it's a secret, but because most men don't consciously understand it themselves. They just feel it. And when they feel it, everything changes. Suddenly, he stops keeping his options open. Suddenly, he stops dragging his feet. Suddenly, the idea of losing you feels dangerous. Not dramatic, not emotional, dangerous. Today, I'm going to explain the one thing that flips that switch inside a man's mind. The thing that makes him see a woman not as temporary, not as fun, not as we'll see where this goes, but as the one. And no, it's not beauty, it's not loyalty, it's not how nice you are, it's not how much you give. Those things matter later. What I'm talking about happens early, often before he even realizes he's falling. Let's start with the truth most women never hear. Men don't choose the one logically. They sense her. And that sense comes from a very specific emotional experience. When a man meets you, his mind is not asking, is she marriage material? Is she good long term? Is she wife potential? Those are after questions. The first question his nervous system asks is much simpler. Do I feel steady around her? Or do I feel like I could lose myself? Most women misunderstand this. They think that men want excitement first and stability later. That's half true. What men actually crave deeply, instinctively, is emotional safety without emotional suffocation. And very few women know how to create that. This is where the one energy comes from. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. A woman can be beautiful, smart, supportive, loyal, kind, and still feel replaceable to a man. Not because she isn't valuable, but because her presence doesn't change his internal state. He enjoys her, he likes her, he's comfortable, but his nervous system doesn't register loss. And if a man doesn't feel loss potential, he doesn't anchor. He drifts. This is why some men stay for years without committing. And this is why some men love a woman but never choose her fully. Because loving someone is not the same as bonding to them. Bonding happens when his identity starts to reorganize around your presence. And that only happens when one thing is present. The one thing he senses, even if he can't name it. Here it is. A man sees a woman as the one when he senses that she's emotionally self-contained and chooses him, not needs him. Let that sink in. Not distant, not cold, not unavailable, self-contained. There's a massive difference. A self-contained woman has her own emotional center. Her mood doesn't rise and fall based on his attention. Her self-worth doesn't spike when he texts and crash when he doesn't. And here's why this matters more than anything else. Men are instinctively drawn to what feels stable and scarce at the same time. Most women are one or the other. Some are stable but over-available. Some are scarce but emotionally chaotic. The one is neither. She feels grounded and optional. And that combination does something dangerous to a man's psyche. When a man is with a woman who is emotionally self-contained, his brain starts asking questions he can't ignore. Why does she not chase reassurance? Why doesn't she panic when I pull back? Why does her life feel full even without me? And then the most important question, what happens if I lose her? This is where the shift occurs. Most women try to prove value. She demonstrates loyalty, she explains her intentions, she reassures him constantly. That feels safe, but it doesn't create gravity. A self-contained woman doesn't explain her worth. She embodies it. Her presence says, I'm good with you, I'm good without you, and I'm choosing you right now. That choice feels rare, and rarity creates attachment. Why men don't feel this with most women? Let me be clear. Men don't avoid commitment because they hate commitment. They avoid it because they haven't felt this state. The state where losing you would disrupt their emotional equilibrium. With most women, a man subconsciously knows, if this ends, she'll collapse, but I'll recover. With the one, his body senses the opposite. She'll survive, I might not. That imbalance is crucial, not because she's cruel, but because she's anchored in herself. This energy shows up long before commitment. Here are a few ways men sense it without words. She doesn't rush emotional intimacy. She allows closeness to build, but she doesn't fast-track it to feel secure. She doesn't over-explain herself. She answers honestly, but she doesn't justify her boundaries. She doesn't compete for his attention. If he's inconsistent, she doesn't fight for clarity. She adjusts her availability. And here's the most important one. She doesn't try to lock him down emotionally. She lets him come to her, and that space is where attachment grows. The mistake that destroys the one energy. Now listen carefully. The fastest way to kill this effect is trying to be chosen. The moment a man senses that you're positioning yourself as, please pick me, his nervous system relaxes. And relaxed men don't commit. They delay, they drift, they keep options open. Not because they're bad, but because there's no internal urgency. Urgency comes from potential loss, and loss only feels real when you don't chase to prevent it. A self-contained woman doesn't use silence as manipulation, she uses it naturally. If something feels off, she doesn't interrogate, she observes. If effort drops, she doesn't demand explanations, she recalibrates her investment. This creates a quiet psychological pressure. Not drama, not conflict, contrast. And contrast makes men reflect. Reflection leads to realization. Realization leads to attachment. The moment he knows but won't admit. There is a moment, subtle, quiet, where a man realizes a woman is different. It's usually when he imagines her absence, not because she threatened to leave, but because he notices she could, and she would be okay. That's when he feels it, that tightening in his chest, that thought he pushes away. I don't want to lose this. He may not say it, he may not act immediately, but from that moment on, you're no longer casual in his mind. You are significant. Being the one is not about doing more, it's about being anchored. The woman he chooses is not the woman who gives him everything. It's the woman who gives him connection without giving up herself. And that's why he senses it. Because your emotional independence tells his nervous system, this bond matters, and if I lose it, it will cost me. That is when a man commits, even if he never explains why. This is FemForward. Now you know what he feels, even when he stays silent.